apply the fruit acid scrub to the skin and leave on for 2 to 5 minutes. Exfoliate using the Coco Cream Nourishing Peel. We're going to apply with a fan brush and steam. We're going to tone with the Acai Berry Firming Mist and gently spritz and leave on the skin. Apply a generous amount of Luscious Berry Fruit Oil Serum. Use the Irish Moss Infusion Mask. We're going to layer the Cranberry Calming Balm over the Irish Moss mask and leave that on the skin. Massage Wild Berry Nutrient Cream on the skin and leave it on. Apply the Super Berry Nutrient Mask with a fan brush and leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to spritz again with the Acai Berry Firming Mist. Apply the Luscious Berry Fruit Oil Serum. To layer the wild berry nutrient cream over the serum. Apply Dawn to Dusk Moisture Tint. You're going to end the facial with a spritz of the Acai Berry Firming Mist.